Here's how to transfer a Wix website to a client, step by step. Start by signing in to your Wix account. Once you are in, go to the All Sites page so you can see every website connected to that account. Take a moment to make sure you are looking at the correct site before moving forward, especially if you manage more than one project. Find a website you want to hand over to your client. On that site card, click the three-dot menu to open the available options. From that menu, select Transfer Site. This opens the ownership transfer flow for that specific website. Next, enter the email address tied to your client's Wix account. Use the address they actually used to sign in, not a different contact address, since the transfer invitation will be sent to that Wix account. If the wrong email is entered here, the transfer can end up going to the wrong recipient. After that, choose the recipient type, select Client, then click Continue. This tells Wix who the new owner will be and moves you to the settings for the transfer itself. You will then see the transfer preference options. If Wix shows them for your site, decide whether you want to remain a co-owner after the transfer. This is useful if you still need access to make updates after the client takes ownership. You may also see an option to keep a copy of the site. Choose that if you want a duplicate to stay in your account after the transfer is completed. If those options are not available, continue with the choices Wix provides on screen. Now review the transfer details carefully. This is the stage where you confirm that the correct website is being transferred to the correct client account, with the preferences you selected a moment ago. Read through the information on the screen, then check the confirmation box acknowledging the ownership transfer. That confirmation matters because ownership rights will move from your account to the client once the transfer is accepted. When everything looks correct, click Transfer Ownership. Wix will send a transfer request to your client. Depending on the account and connection, you may need to wait a moment while the request is processed. The final part happens on your client's side. Ask your client to sign in to their Wix account and open the ownership transfer invitation. They will need to accept the transfer to complete the process. Until they accept it, the website will not fully move into their ownership. Once your client accepts the invitation, the Wix website ownership transfer to the client is complete.